Welcome to our video, where I will show you natural treatments for dark circles, hollow and sunken eyes. Let's get into it, shall we? Dark circles under the eyes are common. These are usually observed among both men and women. Dark circles are usually accompanied by sagging of skin under your eyes, making them look baggy. They are mostly attributed to lack of sleep, stress and fatigue. As you grow older, your skin loses its natural thickness and collagen. This can make the appearance of blood vessels underneath your skin more prominent. As a result, this area can look darker than usual. Other conditions, such as swelling near your eyes or fluid imbalance around the lower eyelids, can make your skin look darker. A black eye or injury to the area can cause the entire eye to look darker. Let's have a look at some natural remedies for these. Number 1. Sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil has sclerosant as well as emollient properties. It may help reduce the appearance of blood vessels underneath your skin by improving your skin tone. What you can do: dab 2 to 3 drops of sweet almond oil on a cotton ball. Apply it to the dark circles and massage it into your skin. Leave it on overnight and wash off in the morning. Do this every night before sleeping until the dark circles fade. Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumber contains bioactive compounds and vitamins that can inhibit tyrosinase activity. This can help reduce pigmentation around the eyes. What you can do: you will need 1 cucumber and a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Blend the ingredients to make a thick paste. Apply this paste to the affected areas and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash off with plain water. You can apply this paste once every day. Number 3. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil contains proanthocyanidins that exhibit anti-melanogenic properties. Hence, it may inhibit pigmentation in the skin around your eyes and reduce dark circles. What you can do: take a few drops of rosehip oil, dilute it with coconut oil, and apply it to the dark circles with a cotton pad. Leave it on overnight and wash it off from your skin in the morning. Repeat this remedy every night until the dark circles fade away. Number 4. Green tea bags. Green tea contains phenolic compounds that inhibit melanogenesis. This may help prevent excessive pigmentation of the skin and reduce dark circles. What you can do: take 2 green tea bags and soak them in water. Refrigerate for a short while and place them on your eyes. Wash your face after 10 to 15 minutes. You can repeat daily until the dark circles fade away. Dark circles are usually temporary and not a cause of concern. The home remedies and medical treatments can help in reducing the appearance of dark circles. Make sure to consult your doctor, who will help you choose the appropriate treatment for your condition. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.